Hello everyone, so I'm doing another vlog. I know, it's been 2 days. It's now Thursday and this morning I uploaded the vlog from Tuesday. So that's up already, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. I'm about to leave my house and drive to college, or drive to the gallery and then to college to submit my thesis. Oh my god, I haven't showed it to you. Hang on. Hang on. There it is. Yay! But yeah, I'm going to submit that at 12, but it's now 10, so I should be already in the gallery, so let's go! I also made myself some iced coffee. Yes! Yes! This is good. This is good. I actually made that coffee last night and I put it in the fridge, and then today I added milk to it and ice. Can I just say one thing? I know you can't see me properly, but getting parking in a shopping centre is an absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. How are you? I am vlogging again. Last day, you know? How are you? What you up to?
Sorting out my bomb making facility.
Bomb making facilities?
Coding my female genital mutilation into my code.
Ooh. Very nice.
You know?
I didn't expect you to be here already. How's your cables coming along?
Bomb making facility. You'll have to film it when it's done.
I will. I'm filming the process as well though. You having a great time?
No.
You've been doing this for like 4 days.
The tent is wet.
The 10. I was like, what? Hi, Chloe. Guess where we're going? We're going to hand up our thesis. We're going to hand up our thesis. Whoa! Hi, Amy.
I was like, I don't know.
Yeah. Where did you park?
Loyal follower before.
Where did you park?
Sorry?
Where did you park?
There.
Oh, I'm over here.
Well,
See you in college.
Well, we're going to carpool back.
Yeah.
We don't need to bring all of them back. Smart girl. Over there.
Bye. I don't know where my car is. It's embarrassing. I'm gonna go now because people are staring. I know what you're saying. Salad. How much it is? Salad, yeah. Like, maybe we'll go get salad.
Oh, they did? I thought you. I was like, no, you just have to talk about photography. I mean,
Okay, so for our photography project now. No, don't worry about that. photos.
One, two.
Hey pal, any updates? Any updates?
No, not sure.
She's putting all the things up on the wall. See? Yeah. It looks so complicated. We're at Madeline's house now, one of my friend's house. Sorry, I realised you don't know who Madeline is.
You'll see.
And yeah, me and Laura are staying here tonight. You can remember Laura from Tuesday's vlog. The mad one. The camera woman. Yeah, we're going out for some food. I'm not bringing the camera because I'll only lose it or smash it or yeah.
Lose it.
So there's actually quite a few of us downstairs, so I'm gonna bring you downstairs for a sec. Just to show you. Oh, I didn't show you what I'm wearing. Look, this is what I'm wearing. Outfit of the night. So I'm wearing jeans. These shoes. And this top, it's from Nasty Gal. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's all. Nothing special. They're gonna hate me. Ready? Ready?
I'm scared to check mine. I was only like
Hello,
5
peeps.
15 minutes.
Hey. Kate's drinking coffee
15
again.
minutes to drink your tea and then we're getting there.
If you follow me now, drink now the time.
Sorry.
All these guys were in Tuesday's vlog, by the way.
That's not bad. I kind of like that. This is vegan.
I'm happy that you're happy.
They're horrified that it's not from a cow's nipples.
Oat milk is so good.
It's good. It tastes good in my coffee.
Yeah.
This is
everything.
straight cocaine. Maybe it's on it.
To your hand.
Oh,
It's not personal art.
What were you thinking?
PSA.
Right. I'm gonna just put this in the room. That was such a lovely angle. Anyway, yeah, so I think that's it. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. Today was what? Thursday. So on Saturday it's our show day. And I'm actually really excited to see it. At the beginning I wasn't so excited, but now I am. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go. See you later. Bye.